What an amazing gift idea for kids! Tooth Fairy wand pens. That is how it looks in the box. I was very impressed by the quality of it. There are two special, very cute pens. Very beautiful. Design is adorable. That is how I can close it. There are two of it. My kids love it so much. I think that it is a great gift idea for anybody, for any child. And there is a very cute notebook. This is just amazing. Let me open it and show it to you. And also there are extra fillers for the pen. So when I open it, that is how it looks. So you can write all the information right here. And there are a lot of pages, so many pages. I love it a lot. I always get it for my kids and they love it a lot. And it is very practical because you're definitely gonna use it. And pens are adorable. It is so cute. I love it a lot. Very nice brand. I always get different things from them. Always an amazing quality.